Each autumn across the plains of America's Midwest, vast golden fields begin their quiet transformation. The brilliant petals have long since fallen, and the once upright sunflower heads now bow under the weight of thousands of ripened seeds. This is the signal farmers have been waiting for harvest time. Modern sunflower combines, fitted with specialized headers, roll into the fields. Unlike the rough clatter of wheat or corn harvest, this process requires precision and gentleness. The machines are designed with wide cutters that lift and slice just beneath the flower head. Inside a threshing drum, carefully strip seeds from the husk, while fans blow away the lighter stems and chaff. What remains are dense, glossy black seeds cascading into the onboard tank. Moisture sensors built directly into the combines measure the condition of the seeds in real time. Operators can adjust drum speed or fan intensity on the go, ensuring minimal breakage and maximum yield. When the tanks are full, grain carts and trucks line up at the field's edge to collect the bounty. With each load tarped and tagged, the seeds are carried away to begin the next chapter of their journey. Once the trucks leave the fields, their precious cargo is delivered to modern processing plants. Here, the seeds are guided through a carefully controlled system that transforms raw harvest into valuable products. The first step is cleaning. Vibrating screens separate large debris like stalks or stones, while powerful air jets remove lighter impurities such as husks and dust. Magnetic traps capture any stray metal fragments that may have slipped in from farm machinery. Finally, optical sorters scan thousands of seeds per second, discarding those that are shriveled or discolored. Only the highest quality seeds are approved for pressing. Before extraction, the seeds are gently dried to an ideal moisture level around 6 to 7%. Too much water and the oil turns cloudy. Too little and the seeds may crack or lose yield. Once stabilized, the seeds enter the presses. Inside a screw press, the kernels are slowly crushed by a rotating auger, releasing a golden stream of oil. The remaining solids, called sunflower cake, are not wasted. They are recycled into protein-rich animal feed or further processed into meal for use in food products. For some facilities, the second extraction uses a food-grade solvent to recover every drop of oil. The crude oil then passes through refining, degumming, neutralizing, and filtering to remove any remaining impurities. Others, especially small-scale or premium brands, prefer cold pressing. In this method, seeds are pressed gently at low temperatures, preserving nutrients and flavor while producing a vibrant, aromatic oil. Finally comes bottling. Automated lines fill dark glass bottles or food-grade plastic containers, flush them with inert gas, to prevent oxidation cap and label them with care. Each batch is tested for purity, acidity, and shelf stability before leaving the plant. From here, the oil makes its way to kitchens, bakeries, cosmetic companies, and even biofuel producers. But oil isn't the only product. Some seeds are roasted and seasoned to become crunchy snacks. Others are reserved for cosmetics, where cold-pressed oil serves as a natural antioxidant ingredient in lotions and creams. Every part of the harvest is put to use, ensuring nothing is wasted. Before another season of golden fields can begin, the cycle returns to its smallest form, the seed. From each harvest, a portion of the best sunflower seeds is carefully selected, not for oil or snacks, but for the future. Specialists evaluate seeds for purity, size, oil content, and resistance to disease. Only those with the strongest traits are set aside as foundation seed. These elite seeds are stored under climate-controlled conditions until it's time to begin the nursery stage. In the nursery, seeds are first tested for germination rates. They are planted in trays or small pots filled with rich, sterilized soil. Within 7 to 10 days, bright green shoots break through the surface. Technicians monitor light temperature and humidity, carefully ensuring each young plant develops a strong root system and sturdy stem. Some programs use advanced genetics to enhance traits such as drought resistance or higher oil yield. Others focus on preserving traditional open-pollinated varieties valued for flavor and resilience. Once the seedlings reach a height of several inches, they are gradually hardened, exposed to outdoor conditions, so they can adapt to real field environments. After this transition, they are ready for planting on a much larger scale. By spring, when the soil has thawed and the last frost has passed, the nursery's efforts expand into thousands of acres of farmland. Here, the next generation of sunflowers begins its life. Farmers start by preparing the land. Soil samples are taken to measure pH, nitrogen, and organic matter. If adjustments are needed, compost lime or fertilizers are applied with precision, ensuring a balanced environment for young roots. Conservation tillage is often used to keep the soil structure intact, reduce erosion, and preserve moisture. Modern planters, often guided by satellite positioning systems, place each seed at just the right depth, about 1 to 2 inches, while keeping rows evenly spaced at around 30 inches apart. This careful spacing allows for airflow, sunlight, and strong root development. Water is managed with efficiency. Many farms use drip irrigation systems, delivering moisture directly to the base of the plants to reduce waste. soil probes, and remote sensors monitor real-time moisture levels, guiding farmers on when and how much to irrigate. In drier climates, irrigation schedules are critical. In wetter regions, drainage systems help protect against excess water. As the seedlings grow, integrated crop management begins. Instead of blanket chemical sprays, farmers increasingly rely on targeted approaches, rotating crops to break disease cycles, releasing beneficial insects to control aphids, or using drones to spot and treat problem areas before they spread. Fertilization is equally precise. Based on lab-tested samples, nitrogen and potassium are applied at key stages of growth, supporting strong stalks and seed-rich heads. By midsummer, fields have transformed into a dense green canopy, topped with thousands of bright golden faces, tracking the sun across the sky. This is the most striking stage of the sunflower's life, but also the most delicate. Farmers keep watch for storms, pests, and unexpected shifts in weather. Every choice from field layout to row spacing is designed not just for beauty, but to ensure each plant matures into a head heavy with oil-rich seeds. As summer fades into autumn, the fields undergo another transformation. The once bright petals curl, fade, and fall while the seed heads bow low under their own weight. Farmers know the signs well. It is almost time for harvest again. But timing is everything. The ideal moment comes when the back of the flower head turns from green to brown, and the seeds have reached a moisture content of 8 to 10%. Too early, and the oil will be unstable. Too late, and the seeds risk shattering or sprouting in the head. To fine-tune the schedule, farmers walk the field, sample seeds, and even deploy drones to scan for patches that are ripening unevenly. Once the decision is made, Massive combines fitted with sunflower headers roll back into the fields. The machines lift and cut the flower heads, thresh the seeds free, and separate them from husks and stalks in one continuous motion. Fans blow away light chaff, leaving only clean, heavy seeds that pour into the tanks. Moisture sensors guide on-the-go adjustments, ensuring that each load meets the quality standards needed for oil pressing. Truck after truck carries the harvest away, bound for cleaning, pressing, and refining. Some seeds will become bottles of golden oil, others crunchy roasted snacks, still others future seedlings waiting in nurseries. Nothing is wasted, and the cycle begins anew. From seed to soil, from bloom to bottle, sunflowers embody both nature's resilience and human ingenuity. Each season is not just a harvest, but a continuation of a story that stretches from the family farm to kitchens, bakeries, cosmetic labs, and beyond. The journey of sunflower oil is more than agriculture. It is a full circle of growth care, transformation, and renewal. And with each passing year as the fields turn gold once again, the story is ready to be told all over.